last load. It's a little blurry. So this is the last load that'll be bagged here at home. We got another farm we have to fill a silo. And after we're done with that, we gotta do all third cutting, and we got 2 more fields of sedan grass. So stay tuned, let's get to it. Whoa, that really lights it up. Still some pretty tall corn. That's an LED, bright light. That's probably 9 o'clock. Watch this thing eat. Oh yeah. Look at how tall that is. That's nuts. Ears are not huge. I mean, they're ears, but it's good chopping corn. It's literally taller than the roof. Polymeter on it 3 times in 3 months really makes a difference. Got a little raccoon damage right here. Last little bit. Cows are eating. So this is the second bag of the day. It's only going to be about 20 foot long. So we did, what, 220 foot today, a bag of corn silage. I think they got started at 10:30, 11, and they finished the first bag at a little after 5. So, not bad. We were chopping at the back of the farm back there. There was 3 of them. I guess they weren't even keeping up some of the time, so. Little Red was working hard. Little Red, not Big Red, Little Red. And there comes Dad with the chopper. Unloading. Watching Little Red.